Welcome to Dracula JoeWoo's Yard Sale Flippers. This is episode number 6, the Halloween special, where we're changing things up here.
Dad, put your darn teeth back in.
Pay no attention to that child.
Anyways, where we bite your items and flip them for blood.
Let's make some money.
Let's do it.
Good morning, Gavin.
Good morning, Joe.
How are you?
Good.
What's going on?
Did you hear about all these community garage sales?
No, how many do we have?
I think 2.
Really? We gotta go. Gavin's Taekwondo demo practice today, and on the way home we saw at least 2 community garage sales. That's a big thing for us, and even though we're going to take a break, guess what we're doing today, guys? What are we doing?
Garage sailing.
Let's hit the road.
Winner, winner, winner.
And the crazy kids.
Why does every yard sale have clothes?
don't know.
Nobody even buys them.
Welcome to day number 1's haul. We got a lot of cool items. Gavin, take it away.
First, we got this purse that I bought for $1.
And this is an Arizona jeans purse.
Yes.
$1. Gavin found this himself. Nice job, man. Good eyes.
And it's also yellow.
Next, what we got?
We got this blue purse.
Kelly, what is this?
So, this is a duffel bag and purse set. So here is the purse.
All right. We got a lot of stuff. Stuff's falling all over the place. Great job.
And here is the duffel bag.
And the duffel bag. This was $1. We negotiated it from $2. Next.
Next, we got this family game. It's an Xbox One. It's Monopoly.
So this is an Xbox One game, Monopoly game, right?
Yes, it's a Monopoly game for an Xbox One.
$1. I like it. I like the $1 theme here.
More purses. We've got a black purse. Here you go.
We have a black purse that we don't know the name brand.
Now this
of.
is actually Forever 21. We just looked at it. So we got this for $1. This was listed for $3.
Next we got this other purse. And
Wow, this is a big one.
Yeah.
very big.
And this was listed for what, $3?
Yes, and it's another Forever 21.
Forever 21 purse for $1.
And I guess you could put your like water bottles and like phones on the
And it's
side.
in good shape too. We're testing things out this time. All right, next. Gavin, what we got?
This other purse.
Another purse. This is a purse theme. I don't know what's going on here. So I found this. Now, I took a risk. This was actually $5. A little bit more than what we like to pay, but saw this online for $30 to $40, and I think we could do really well with this. So we are going to take a risk. All right, and we got the big item here. As you guys can see, Gavin's bringing in. I'll help bring it in. A printer. We found a printer, and look at this. As is for $1. So this was $1. We turned it on, and it actually works really well. I like it.
Big printer.
Yes.
And final item we got this Hot Wheel that I bought for 25 cents.
25 cents, this Hot Wheel car, green Hot Wheel car. I like it. That's today's haul.
Many of you asked, how do we make money from our garage sales?
And that's a great point, Kelly, because at the end of the day, it's all about making the most money and the most profit. And what we do is we look for items that are $1, hey, and we try to turn them into these $20. Give me those back. Let's show you how we do that.
First, pull up the eBay app on your phone. Next, go into the search box and type the item that you're actually looking for in the search box. Once that comes up, you'll start to see the items in there. And on the top right, click on Filter, then scroll all the way down. And when you see sold items, click on that. Now this will give you the items that have recently been sold so you can see the prices that they've sold for and the shipping cost, if there are any shipping costs. And this is a great way to tell what your item is going to sell for.
Now the second thing is the timing of the yard sale, when you actually show up. And we like to show up first in the morning.
The early bird gets the worm.
That is correct. And we will show up late, close to the closing of the garage sale, because it's real important when you get there early. Sometimes people are putting stuff out and you can get items very quickly, catch them off guard a little bit in a good way, or at the end when people have a lot of items still left over, you have better negotiating power just to wrap up items. And we did that with purses a few weeks ago where we got 5 purses for like $3, which is great. So that's the second way. Now the third way to make the most money you can at yard sales is shipping, keeping your costs low.
It's cost me a lot of money.
And that is true, Kaylee, because in the beginning we struggled with the Postal Service where we were eating a lot of our shipping costs. So what we've actually done is when you have items that are about $35 or lower, you can charge the borrower shipping. You can build your cost into that. But if your items are higher, like $75 and above, or you're selling office equipment, you could charge free shipping because there's enough spread in the profit for that. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
And those are the 3 tips to make the most money you can at a garage sale. Welcome to day number 2. As you can see, the back of the car is empty. I don't have the kids. Got a lot of kids' activities today, so we're giving them a little bit of a break. So I'm gonna hit a couple garage sales because, as we always say, money never sleeps. And the cool thing is, right now I'm sitting outside of a craft fair / flea market in Wilmington, and then there's a garage sale right across the street. Can't beat that. on day number 2, I made a pit stop at home because you know what? I missed these guys, and Kaylee was still sleeping, but Gavin's here. We're on another community garage sale. What's up, Gav?
How's it going?
What are you seeing so far out there?
Just a bunch of houses that don't have anything, but a lot of yard sales. So I realized something about the yard sales. When it gets further into the winter, they usually, because there's not too many yard sales around, so that's why they put their stuff for a lot of money, and there's not too much people around to buy their stuff.
That is a very good observation, and guess what? Now we're going to hit some of these houses and see if we can make some deals. What do you think?
Let's go.
Free pie plates that you get at a restaurant. That is insulting. Mind-boggling right now, isn't it?
Exactly.
Day number 2's haul, and I have a very special guest that's going to join me here. Freddie Fazbear. Come on in, Freddie. How you doing? Good to see you. All right, let's get started. So, first thing we got a Victoria's Secret purse for $1. You like it? $1. More purses, what can I say? We know them. We got this really cool item. This is a Philadelphia Eagles vintage duffel bag from the 1980s. 75 cents. I know I can at least get 18 to 20 for it probably. Nerf guns. I love them. One of that. And this one here, $1 a piece. And finally, this Coach bag. It's a poppy bag, all kinds of logos and designs on here. Got it for $3. Now here's the funny thing. When we opened it, when we got home, there were feminine products in it. Yes, you all wanted to know from our little clip a few weeks ago, feminine products. Does anybody check the bags? I don't get it. Isn't that nuts? Crazy. That's day number 2's haul. And we still have Freddie Fazbear here. Here's the recap.
The Spider-Man pillow sold for $7. Winnie the Pooh sold for $5.95. Disney's Woody and Bullseye the Horse sold for $7.90. The vintage Philadelphia Eagles duffel bag sold for $21. The Dolce & Gabbana zebra print vintage handbag sold for $36. And the Coach Poppy design bag sold for $42. The total amount we spent in purchases was $10. We factored in vehicle gas of $5, which means our total sold was $119.85, minus $35.95 in eBay, PayPal, and any shipping fees, leaving us with a total net profit of $83.90.
So it has been a fun couple weeks here, but I'll tell you, I got all this makeup still on here. I gotta go take a shower.
Dad, I just read the newspaper. There's a bunch of craft sales now. Get out of there. Let's go.